So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Hitachi Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the more the temperature will go down. The more you turn it down, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the more the temperature will increase and the AC will reduce cooling. Its highest temperature is 32 degrees. If you just want cooling and want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel that 26 degrees is too cold, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is mode. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode. Currently the mode is in dry. Currently the mode is in fan. Currently the mode is in auto. Currently the mode is in cool. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in depth in very simple words. The mode you are seeing right now is cool mode. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in the rainy season. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan. AC will not do cooling in fan. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you just want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. If you feel that the cooling is less or more in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling with the temperature up-down button. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan, which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is high. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is in auto. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that, the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have any problem in sleeping due to excessive cold. You can also use it with timing. You can also set the timing from half an hour to 9 hours so that you can decide for how long you want to use the sleep button. The next button is silent. Pressing the silent button reduces the fan speed of the indoor unit to a minimum and your AC will run in a completely silent mode. The next button is fresh. This model of Hitachi AC does not have fresh function. And invalid option is showing on the remote screen. The next button is up-down. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up-down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. You can see 2 buttons in the remote. These 2 buttons are dummy. These buttons are of no use in this remote. After that, the next button is super cool. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the super cool button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the super cool button. In this, the room cools very quickly. The next button is timer on. In timer on, you can set the time by entering a time of half an hour to 12 hours. The advantage of timer on is that if your AC is off, then you can set the time in timer on and turn it on automatically. The next button is timer off. In timer off, you can set the time by entering a time of half an hour to 12 hours. The advantage of timer off is that if your AC is on, then you can set the time in timer off and turn it off automatically at that time. The next button is filter. If there is dust accumulated in the filter of your indoor unit, the light in the filter symbol in the indoor unit will turn on. And if you clean the filter and want to turn off the light, then you can turn off the light by using this button. The next button is reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then press and hold the reset button for 2 to 3 seconds. Your remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. The next button is lock. If you want to lock the remote, then press this button with the help of a pin, then your AC remote will be locked, and if you want to unlock the remote, then press this button again, then the remote will be unlocked. If you understand the information given by me, then please like my video and subscribe my channel.